Hi, it's Mary Beth. I wanted to talk to you about creating contacts in Outlook. And right now I'm in Business Contact Manager. And what I've done is I've just created a sample contacts, and I wanted to show you some of the cool things that you can do with Outlook that really mimic a top producer or probably ACT. I've never used ACT, but some other contact management systems. The nice thing with Outlook is that there is no reoccurring charge. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up and I'm just going to show you some things. I mean, obviously, putting in the name and the company, that's all self-explanatory. You could put in phone numbers, business phone, home phone, fax, mobile. Some of the other really cool things that you can do with this program, if you have Skype, Outlook can be set up to work with Skype, so you could actually make a call right now. It would also work with something like Magic Jack. And you could call right from your computer, throw on your headset, click a button, and make a phone call right from here, which is extremely cool. Also, you can put in the business address. If you wanted to get a map of this, you could click on this button and it would take you to Bing and it would show you a map of this property, whether it be the business address or the home address. And then you can do things that are so important, like source this person. Where did you get this person? Was it off of an advertisement? Direct mail? Was it a referral? The thing that's so nice about this is that you can edit this list. So you could say, hey, this is from my sphere of influence or my dentist, my doctor, whatever the case may be. The thing is that it's so important that we understand where our business is coming from. So this allows us to do that. And then it talks about area of interest. What are they interested in? This person's interested in listing their home, but it could be that they're looking to invest. Again, we can modify this list, add investing, buying a home, things like that. And then we can add, the thing that's so cool about this business contact manager is that we can customize this form. So I just went in here and I added a few different fields that we might use, like value of their home, how many bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage. Is this a short sale prospect, yes or no? Time frame to move, the subdivision, basement. So I could add in here, yes, finished walkout. Now, of course, if this were a buyer, I would format these questions a little bit differently or answer them a little bit differently, right? Minimum square footage they're looking for is X amount, basement's mandatory, that type of thing. But the thing that's so nice is all we have to do is click on Customize Form, and we could add in any field that we want. So instead of just going with generic fields that are filled out for us, we can create our own. So it's really, really an awesome feature. And then we see things like we can add a photo. If we want to add a photo to this contact, we can do that. Another great feature here is that we can mark this as a lead. We can put in the status as active. We could assign this to a member of our team and then track and see who do we assign that lead to and track back with them. And then the contact rating. If you drop this down, it could be excellent, good, average. You could also modify this list and go A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, whatever works for you. So some other things you could do. I could categorize this person. I could click on the categories, and since this is an excellent contact, then I might put this person in as red. So I could identify my red contacts at a moment's notice. And then I can also go in here and I can do a new history item. I could go in and I could create a business note, or I could set up a task, or send a mail message right now, or set an appointment that would automatically go to my Outlook calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on task. So what I could do here is I could say subject, call to check in. And just pretend that this is somebody from your sphere of influence. And what you could do is you could go, yeah, there's a reoccurrence. This is going to reoccur monthly. And I could say I want to call the 15th of every 4 months. If you want to follow a true 33 touch, you'd call them at least 3 times a year. I could say, okay, this is going to go ahead and go into my calendar like that. I could set a reminder. It's a great, great feature. Thank you, and we'll do more later.